Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create highlighted captions in CapCut. So this highlighted effects, if you want to apply it into caption, you can easily use the animations and I'm going to show you how. First, you can just add the videos and let's generate the captions. Go to text and use the auto captions. And here don't forget to select the language and also the sound source. After that, just click on generate and let CapCut generating the captions. So after the caption is generated, you can see here you can change it to style first. For example, I'm going to change the phone into this pop-ins phone, and after that, to add the highlighted effects, go to animations, click on the captions tab. Before you select the animation, you need to make sure that it will apply to all of the outer captions. So check this box, this circles right here until it turns to blue, and just select the border pop-up animations. So just scroll down until you found the border pop-up tree, I think. Okay, this one's right here. Welcome to Call Daddy. And after that, click on the check icon. And you can see now each word will be highlighted. So the highlighted captions will be applied word by word like this. Welcome to Call Daddy. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.